Welcome to the Village at Linwood, a charming 55-plus condo community located in the heart of beautiful Linwood, New Jersey. Here, the coastal lifestyle meets comfort and convenience, offering residents the perfect blend of relaxation, recreation, and access to everything they need. The Village of Linwood is thoughtfully designed with a variety of models to suit your needs, featuring spacious 2-bedroom, 2-bath units and some units with a loft offering an additional bedroom and bath. Each condo includes well-appointed kitchens, open living areas, and private balconies or patios, ideal for enjoying your morning coffee or evening breezes. Options may include upgraded flooring, modern appliances, and personal touches to make your new home truly your own. Every unit is part of a low-maintenance community, ensuring that you have more time to enjoy life and less to worry about. This vibrant community offers fantastic amenities for an active lifestyle. The clubhouse is the perfect place to gather with neighbors, host events, or enjoy game nights. Cool off in the sparkling pool on hot summer days or take a leisurely swim. And if you enjoy a bit of friendly competition, the tennis courts are available for use year-round. Living at the Village of Linwood means being close to the best the area has to offer. Take a short drive to Ocean City or Margate beaches to soak up the sun. You can stroll on the boardwalk or enjoy a relaxing day by the sea. So now I'm at Central Square, and this is right around the corner from the Village of Linwood. Excellent shops, restaurants, boutiques, including one of my favorites here, Baristas. Great place for coffee, breakfast. It's awesome. And when it's time for dining and shopping, you're just around the corner from Central Square. It's a charming hub filled with local boutiques and restaurants and cafes. Whether it's grabbing a bite at a neighborhood favorite or picking up essentials, everything you need is right at your fingertips. The Village of Linwood places you in the heart of a thriving community close to top-rated restaurants, including popular spots like Baristas, Jesse's, Romanelli's, and Chaba Thai restaurant. From local shops to grocery stores, everything you need is within reach. All right, so we are at the Village of Linwood, and this is a 55-plus condo community. I'm just going to cruise around a little bit, show you around some of the buildings. And then I have a listing here in the E building. We're going to go inside. I'll show you what that looks like. These are all 2-story, and there are some that are ranch, everything on one level. Most of these are one unit above another. And I'll show you what that looks like in a minute. We just passed the tennis courts, the clubhouse, the pool, beautiful landscaping here, and great location. So we're going to go to the E unit here. These are the villas over here on this left side. This is the D building. So these are this building is everything on one floor. You don't have another unit above you for the units that are on the left here. So now I'm going to take you in one of the units here that's for sale currently. This is a listing at E16. This is the cheapest home in the community. You'll see that it's original condition. There's things that most buyers are going to want to update, so that's why the price is as low as it is. Prices in general are going from the high 2s all the way into the 3s and even high 3s sometimes for pricing in here. But they're similar layouts, so let's give you an idea. Now we're on a second floor unit. So the second floor unit, you do use the steps. There's not an elevator for the second floor units. And you come in here, we have a living room area, dining room area here, and then we have the kitchen area here. Bedrooms are split. It's 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. So owner's suite on this side, the other bedroom, guest bedroom over here on this side. And the layouts are going to be very similar for all the homes in here. A little bit of variation with the size. There are some units that are a little bit larger than others. And then there was also an option for some of these to have a second floor loft up here with an additional bathroom, and that's only for the units that are up on the second floor or the villa units like the D building that's across from us here. Now we're inside the owner suite. We have a walk-in closet, full bathroom over here with the step-in shower. So over on the other side of the house, we have laundry area, another full bathroom, and guest bedroom. Okay, so we'll say another thing that these units have is balconies. So you have a balcony right off the living room, and you also have a balcony off the owner's bedroom. For the first floor units, you have a patio space, so great outdoor space with these units. So living at the Village of Linwood means more than just enjoying a beautiful home. It's about embracing a lifestyle filled with dining, entertainment, and access to world-class destinations. This ideal location offers the best of South Jersey living with proximity to exciting cities like Atlantic City, Philadelphia, and even New York. Just a short 15-minute drive from the Village of Linwood, Atlantic City offers an unbeatable mix of entertainment, dining, and nightlife. Explore world-class restaurants such as Doc's Oyster House, serving up top-notch seafood for over 125 years. Chef Volo is a hidden gem known for its intimate setting and Italian-American dishes. And subscribe for my videos on Atlantic City restaurants. I'm going to be having a new video coming out very soon. So when it's time for entertainment, enjoy a night out at the top casinos like Borgata or Ocean Casino or Hard Rock. Each offers fantastic restaurants, shows, and concerts featuring major artists, or take a stroll down the iconic Atlantic City boardwalk lined with shops, eateries, and amusements. If you're craving a city adventure, Philadelphia is just an hour's drive away. Explore the city's historic landmarks like the Liberty Bell and Independence Hall, or dive into the vibrant food scene with stops at Reading Terminal Market, or a meal in one of Philly's renowned restaurants. Sports fans can cheer for the Eagles, the 76ers, the Flyers, or Phillies. And art lovers can visit the Philadelphia Museum of Art and other cultural attractions. For a more ambitious day trip or weekend getaway, New York City is about 2 hours away by car or bus. You can catch a Broadway show, enjoy a walk through Central Park, or take in the lights of Times Square. From world-famous museums to shopping along Fifth Avenue, the Big Apple offers endless possibilities for exploration. So whether you want to spend the day on the beach, enjoy fine dining in Atlantic City, or explore the bustling cities like Philadelphia or New York, living at the Village of Linwood puts you close to it all. The convenient location offers easy access to the Garden State Parkway and major highways, making spontaneous adventures or weekend getaways a breeze. So at the Village of Linwood, you'll enjoy the perfect combination of a quiet, comfortable home and access to the best dining, entertainment, and culture the region has to offer. Come discover the lifestyle you deserve at the Village of Linwood. It's a 55+ community where comfort meets convenience and every day feels like a vacation with great amenities, a prime location, and proximity to the best beaches and shops in South Jersey. The Village of Linwood is the perfect place to call home. Now, I know condo living is not for everyone, so if you're watching this and you're looking for a detached 55+ home in the same area, you'll want to watch this video next. And if you're looking to buy or sell a home in New Jersey or Pennsylvania or Delaware, my team and I are glad to help. You can contact us, and we can't wait to welcome you home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.